So we stayed last night at Walmart in Fayetteville, Louisiana. It's a little windy out here. We just really got tired of the rain. It was horrible. I'll get this up here. But we still did about 200 miles. We're gonna get on into Houston. We're about 250 miles from Houston. There's an Elks there we're gonna stay at and meet Julie's cousin for dinner. And it's Bonnie's birthday today, which is Friday the 5th. So happy birthday, Bonnie. I hope no birds attack you anymore. So it's really cold, 44 this morning. Ready for some warmth. We left warm 80s in Florida for this. Letting William out, go potty. Woke up this morning, I don't know if you'll be able to see him, but over there, driving and vibing. Probably can't see him for the sun, but they snuck in here last night. Let me get spun around here. Oh, I guess Willie ain't done. But we will get going. And like always, if anything cool happens, we'll let you know. So if you've never been across 10 around St. Charles, you've never been up this bridge right here. I want you to check this thing out. My father would go 100 miles out of his way to not go on this thing. It is straight up and straight down. This stuff doesn't bother me, but my buddy Andy up there in the front is not enjoying this at all. And this GoPro probably does not show anything how steep this is, but look at this. It's like taking off in a plane. Of course, everybody had to slow down at the bottom, so old Fred's chugging up, but this is straight up and straight down, so they bring them big ships in the canal. Look at this. This is beyond cool. Look at all that over there. Big oil industry. Yep, that is neat. Louisiana should be ashamed of the condition these roads are in. I've never. That's terrible. Tax money these states get, and they don't put it back into the road. Shame on them. Oh well, there we go. That's fun for the day. Guys, so we left Houston. I think I filmed in Houston. I'll have to go back and watch. If I did, I won't put this in there. But we stayed at the Elks in Houston, visited Julie's family. I said I was going to make this entire trip and not hook to power, but I did hook to power. $25 a night, 50 amp, full hookup, and we got all of our laundry done. So that's really the only reason we did it. We left there, went to San Antonio to another Elks. We just block docked there, no power. But we did do the Alamo in San Antonio. We did the Alamo and the Riverwalk.
Riverwalk, yes.
Yeah. It's really cool. If you come through there, I don't know that I can go back to it again, but if you're coming through, it's really cool. We did the boat ride and everything. Didn't film none of it. But we are currently 990 miles from Quartzite. West Texas Hill Country. Just chugging along. Then besides the little crash we first took off in Florida, it's been uneventful, hasn't it?
Thankfully.
Yeah. Traffic is let up. It's really, really heavy all the way from Florida to San Antonio.
We had a visitor last night in San Antonio too.
We did. A friend of ours. Actually, we know her through our son and his wife back in Ohio. Her husband's in the Air Force, and they left Wright Pat, which is Dayton Air Force Base, to San Antonio, and I don't know the Air Force Base. But they're down here 4 years. They've been down here a couple, but she seen we's coming in and come visit us last night. So, Kim, if you're watching this, good to see you. But we're just plugging along, not a whole lot going on. So far, I have not paid over $3 a gallon for fuel. I've paid $2.43 was the cheapest, wasn't it? And back there, $2.86, I think. Even leaving Florida, I think we got fuel there in Gainesville for $2.80 something, $2.89, I think. I've not paid over $3, I think.
No.
But we're just trucking right along. That's all I got.
Nothing pretty to show you. We missed all the pretty.
Oh, there's more to come.
There's our friends.
Oh, I did.
Whoops. Get back there.
Once we got like in Louisiana, in that area, I got the best fuel mileage I've ever got. Once we got on flat ground, no window. Now I got 9.5. I've never got that out of this. But I'm maintaining high 8s, low 9s right now. We're running 62 miles an hour. I don't have my cruise set. Andy's in front, has his set, and I'm just